So why can I not see the emails on my Android phone? So let me guide you through it and explain why it could be happening. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So the first condition or step is that we have an app for emails, like an email client, right? So depends on your phone, you might have some of them pre-installed, but if not, go to the Play Store like this. Make sure you sign in with your account and everything, right? So just sign in, right? And basically just go through it until you download the mail client, right? So for example, it might be the Gmail like I have in here, or it might also be Microsoft Outlook or Yahoo Mail or any of the places or apps where you have an email address. So I'm going to go with the Gmail like this. You can see that I do not see anything and I have to sign in, right? So I'm going to click on done and continue, and essentially I have to add an email address. So you can assign in to this app with your Gmail account, Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo, Microsoft Exchange, and even other. Right, so that's how you can add it. I'm going to continue with the Google account. And yeah, I have to kind of confirm that it's me in here. And then I'm going to have the ability to sign in with my email account. Once I typed in my email and password, I can go through it to set that up. And it might take a while, it might take a few more steps to go through everything, but after a while, you will have the ability to essentially see your Gmail or email stuff inside in here, right? So as I say, a few more steps, right? I'm not gonna back up anything, but as you can see, I can take myself to the Gmail as such, and I should have the ability to see all of my emails on this device, right? So as you can see, this is how it works. This is what we have available. I have all of the latest emails, and that's how I can now read them. So that's like the whole point. If you do not see them, you probably will need to manage your accounts and make sure you have the proper one signed in. But in order to see emails the moment you receive them, it would make sense to set up notifications as well. So if you go to the settings app like this, and on the main settings page, you can find notifications as such. You will have the ability to go to app notifications and find the email client which we just set up. So in our case, it is the Gmail, right? And for me, notifications are simply not currently allowed. So I'm going to enable it as such. And now I have more options. I can choose them to be silent or allow sound as well. I can make them appear on the lock screen or not, right? And I have plenty of settings to customize to make sure that I not only have the emails ready inside of an app, but that I also get notified about them once I receive a new message. So that's how you can make that work. I hope that I was able to explain it. If there are more thoughts or questions about this, hit the thumbs up and let me know about them below in the comments. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.